Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see that how to insert data into a MySQL database using PhpMyAdmin. So step 1 is to go to the local host, that is our PhpMyAdmin homepage. Now step 2 is to click on SQL tab at the top. Now here we are at the SQL tab, so let's move to the step 2. In this step you have to just copy the SQL statements that are given in the description of this video. Okay, great, we have pasted the SQL statements in the SQL tab. Now the next step is to click on the Go button at the rightmost bottom corner. And here we go. As we can see, we have successfully inserted data in our database. Now just validate the data that we have inserted by clicking on the Databases tab at the top. And here click on EmployeeDB database. Now click on the employees table to get the table details. And as we can see here, we have created our table with 2 fields for our 2 employees. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.